The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Install the filter. Replace any damaged sealing rubber rings on the connection tubes. Remove the filter cap. Inspect the 2 large rubber rings on the bottleneck and replace them with spares if necessary. Screw the racks. Mount the holders onto the main unit. Install the body vacuum and RF handle. Replace the black rubber ring if damaged. Remove the plug and original filter from the suction hole. Insert a new filter and securely reinsert the plug. Connect the body RF handle. Install the 40K handle. Connect face RF handle. Install the IRF handle. Place all installed handles into the handle holders in turn. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Set the language to English. Choose IRF on the screen. Settings, time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose face RF. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose body RF on the screen. Settings, time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose body vacuum and RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.3. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Note, set the suction and release durations using preset modes or configure them manually. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose 40K on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.